Hey everyone, it's gbaby. So, I am here to talk to you guys about the proper etiquette for sneezing because it's October now and it's getting a little chillier and a lot of people are getting some sick, some people are getting sick. Um, but yeah, it's just plain etiquette and it's just really annoying when like people sneeze in their hand, and I just think it's so gross. I always sneeze in like my arm or like over my shoulder or whatever. But come on, people, you don't have to sneeze in your hand. Like that's so disgusting. Cause you know how much shit that you touch when with your hands, and then you're like sneezing all your germs onto your hand, which you touch everything. And then we as people touch things with our hands, so obviously we have to touch the shit that you just contaminated. It's just disgusting. And you shouldn't do it. So always sneeze in your arm. Well, not in your arm, because that'd be kind of weird, but like in your elbow or like on someone's face or something. You know, like next to you. So you should always sneeze in those two. But yeah, I mean, sneezing in your hand is so disgusting, and every time I see someone sneeze in their hand, I just look at them and I'm just like, you know, because sometimes, like, snot comes out on your hand and it's really gross, but come on, people, you know better. Your mama taught you better than that, as Destiny Child would say. Your mama taught you better than that, girl. And you know it. And that's just disgusting. So, sneeze somewhere else besides your hand. And that is sneeze etiquette. Bye, gbaby out.